Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the most secure password manager Dashlane installation. I will show you step by step how to do this thing right way. This is first installation setup window. First of all you need good internet connection to install this software. Okay guy, now setup is downloading. It will take few minutes. Dashlane welcome Windows is coming to create new account. Click here create new account. Okay guy, you have to give your email address and password in here. Type strong password you can remember. You can see this massage box, please follow these steps. Now you type again your password here to confirm. It's time to registering our data to their servers. Most important thing is you can add Dashlane to your web browser. After all, we get the main window of Dashlane software. It's easy to use, good interface. Okay, I'm going to click tools to check how they generate passwords. They will already generate password automatically in here. Wow! Click the refresh to create more passwords. And click the length level to generate long passwords. You can customize it in here if you need. Let's go to password changer. You can change password your website or other logins in here. Secure knots. You can add here most important knots and they will encrypt all your data. Personal info. You can add email names or other address in here. Payments. This is best place to add your Visa card, MasterCard and PayPal account details. ID. You can add passport details, office ID details, and add many more ID. This is password health score. You can see your accounts in here. Emergency. You can give here emergency contact persons in here. VPN. To protect your Wi-Fi connection with the VPN. It's only have premium user. If you need VPN, buy premium version of Dashlane. Files. You can import your password in here. They give more option for you. Export. In here export your data to square file formats, including CSV format. This is basic thing about Dashlane password manager software. Okay guy, thank for watch my video. I hope enjoy my video. Please click subscribe button to get more videos and don't forget click the bell icon to get my latest videos fast.